What's up, YouTube? It is your boy Jay Smooth, and I'm back at y'all with another banger today. Hey, man, like I told y'all, if y'all tuned into the Carmine 6 video, man, I just want to drop some more gems on you because I know I'm a certified dripper. I does things, so I want to show y'all a brief lacing tutorial on how I lace my Air Jordan 6. Stay tuned to the video, and I'm gonna show you how I lace my Air Jordan 6. This is a smooth way to lace the Air Jordan 6 because remember, there's no rules to lacing a shoe. There's no right or wrong way to lacing your shoe. Whoever buys the shoe, my black, white, purple, blue, yellow, green, red, man, they can lace the shoe however they want. Rule number 2, man, if you like it, go through with it, man. Rock out, big bro. Rock out, big bro. But like, don't let nobody tell you that you're not dripping because your laces is not a certain way. Like, everybody don't like their laces hanging down. Everybody don't like the bunny ears, cause some people like the bunny ears. I mess with the bunny ears. They cool or whatever. But yeah. So that's how we're gonna do it with these Jordan 6's. I'm gonna show y'all this dope way that I lace these Air Jordan 6's, and that's how we finna do it. Let's go and get into it. Alright, smooth crew. So when you get your Air Jordan 6, they're gonna be dead stock, tight, just like that. So first step, you gotta take these laces out of here. Well, how I rock mine, I removed the lace lock as a whole. So, see, here go your lace lock. Just keep that junk someplace safe. Like, throw it in the original box. You do that, then you'll be good. Yeah, like, you just loosen the strings. Loosen every single string at the top. Let the jump breathe, cause the jump been getting choked out. So when you get here, your strings should be even. So when you get here, you're gonna want to loosen your lace quite a bit because you just want to make sure your laces are still even the entire time. Just keep loosening. Keep loosening. So when you loosen it, it's gonna look just like this. Then you just tie it like a regular shoe. This is how I lace my Air Jordan 6 just loosen it and then put the little bunny ear on the first eyelet. Do not go all the way to the top. That is way number 1 of lacing your Jordan 6. The second way is just simply doing this again. Just put your lace lock at the bottom at the first lace right here. But you know, everybody know Air Jordan 6s are very stressful to lace, so I try to stay away from that one. Then way number 3, we're gonna keep it on this shoe. So when you get here to this second eyelet, first off, you just want your laces to be even. You're gonna go outside in. So when you go outside in, you got this much lace left. And you get your lace lock. Gonna stick the first lace in. Then you'll stick your second lace in. Then you're gonna loosen it, make it look good. Next, way number 2 of lacing your Jordan 6s. That is the only 2 ways I really wear my Jordan 6, but I prefer the first with the simple bunny ear because it's traditional way of tying your shoe. Alright, Smooth Crew, if y'all enjoyed that video of me lacing my Air Jordan 6, man, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel because I give the Smooth Crew what they ask for, man. I give y'all dope vids, man. Hey, it's only right. Share with your friends, tell them to subscribe, jump on the train as we ride to 1,000 subs and beyond. Smooth Crew, don't let nobody tell y'all that y'all can't do anything that you want to do because sky's the limit, y'all. Dream big, man. I love y'all, Smooth Crew. Be safe, and I'm out.